Smart Spending, 9 Ways to Maximize Your Money. Welcome to our channel Finance, where we explore strategies for maximizing your money and achieving financial freedom. In an era of economic uncertainty, maximizing your money becomes paramount. Smart spending isn't just about saving a few bucks here and there. It's a mindset that involves making intentional choices to stretch your dollars further. Whether you're looking to build wealth, save for a rainy day, or simply live more comfortably within your means, these 9 strategies will help you make the most of your money. Before we begin, make sure to smash that like button and hit the subscribe for more exciting content. 1. Budgeting. Budgeting is the cornerstone of smart spending. It involves creating a plan for your money, allocating funds for essential expenses, savings, and discretionary spending. Start by tracking your income and expenses to understand where your money is going. Then, set realistic spending limits for each category based on your financial goals. Remember to review and adjust your budget regularly to stay on track. 2. Prioritize needs over wants. Distinguishing between needs and wants is a fundamental aspect of prudent spending. Needs constitute the essentials for survival and well-being, encompassing necessities like food, shelter, and healthcare. Conversely, wants encompass non-essential items that enhance our lives but aren't vital for survival. When faced with purchasing decisions, it's crucial to prioritize needs over wants. Take a moment to assess whether the item is truly essential or merely a desire that can be deferred until you have more disposable income. By prioritizing needs, you ensure that your financial resources are allocated efficiently, safeguarding your financial stability and ensuring your long-term well-being. 3. Comparison shopping. Comparison shopping is a powerful tool for maximizing your money. Before making a purchase, research prices from different retailers to find the best deal. Look for discounts, coupons, and promotions that can help you save money. Don't forget to consider factors like quality, durability, and customer reviews when comparing products. By taking the time to shop around, you can ensure that you're getting the best value for your money. 4. Avoid impulse purchases. Impulse purchases can throw off even the most meticulous budgets. Before succumbing to a spur-of-the-moment buy, it's vital to pause and reflect. Ask yourself whether the purchase aligns with your financial objectives. Is it a genuine necessity or just a fleeting whim? Implementing a waiting period like 24 hours or even a week before committing to non-essential purchases is beneficial. This buffer allows time for thoughtful consideration, enabling you to assess whether the expenditure aligns with your priorities and values. By exercising restraint and introducing deliberation, you can sidestep impulsive spending and maintain financial alignment with your goals. 5. Use cashback and rewards programs. Cashback and rewards programs present an excellent avenue to amplify your purchasing power. Numerous credit cards furnish cashback or rewards points for each expenditure, culminating in substantial savings over time. Optimize these programs by leveraging your credit card for routine purchases while clearing the balance in full monthly to evade interest fees. Furthermore, seek out retailers and brands extending loyalty programs or cashback perks to frequent patrons. By capitalizing on these initiatives, you augment your savings and derive greater value from your spending endeavors. 6. Negotiate prices. Negotiating prices is pivotal for significant purchases like cars, furniture, or electronics. Beforehand, research to gauge fair market prices, empowering you in negotiations. If the seller isn't receptive, be willing to walk away. Often, they'll reconsider rather than lose a sale. Remember, the worst they can say is no, but asking for a discount can yield substantial savings. Approach negotiations with confidence, backed by knowledge. Politeness and assertiveness go a long way. By negotiating, you take charge of your spending, ensuring you secure the best possible deal. So don't shy away from bargaining. It's a skill that can save you significant money in the long run. 7. Die whenever possible. Die or do it yourself is a money-saving strategy that involves taking on tasks or projects yourself rather than paying someone else to do them. Whether it's home repairs, car maintenance, or crafting gifts, Die can save you a substantial amount of money over time. Invest in basic tools and equipment, and take advantage of online tutorials and resources to learn new skills. Not only will die save you money, but it can also be a rewarding and fulfilling experience. 8. Embrace minimalism. Minimalism is a lifestyle philosophy centered around living with less and focusing on what truly matters. By embracing minimalism, you can reduce clutter, simplify your life, and save money in the process. Take inventory of your possessions and declutter your home by getting rid of items you no longer need or use. Instead of constantly buying new things, focus on experiences and relationships that bring you joy and fulfillment. Not only will minimalism help you save money, but it can also lead to a more meaningful and intentional way of living. 9. Invest in yourself. Investing in yourself is a cornerstone of long-term financial success. Whether through education, skill development, or pursuing passions, self-investment yields enhanced earning potential and career prospects. Enroll in courses, participate in workshops, or seek mentorship to broaden your knowledge and expertise. Additionally, prioritize self-care and personal growth to elevate overall well-being and life satisfaction. Remember, you are your greatest asset, so invest wisely. By nurturing your abilities and nurturing your personal growth, you not only enhance your financial standing, but also enrich your life in meaningful ways. So dedicate time and resources to self-investment. It's an invaluable strategy for maximizing your money and fulfilling your potential. In conclusion, maximizing your money requires discipline, planning, and a willingness to make smart choices. By budgeting, prioritizing needs over wants, comparison shopping, avoiding impulse purchases, using cashback and rewards programs, negotiating prices, embracing DIE, adopting minimalism, and investing in yourself, you can stretch your dollars further and achieve your financial goals. With these 9 strategies, you'll be well on your way to smart spending and financial success. If you find our videos helpful, don't forget to share, subscribe, and hit the like button to support our channel.